In this video, we'll show you how to withdraw cryptocurrency from your account on the EXOLO crypto exchange. After logging into your EXOLO account, hover over the Balances menu on the main menu, then click on Spot. Click on Withdraw. You will see a list of all assets you hold in EXOLO. If the amount of an asset is 0, it will be deactivated in the list, and you won't be able to select it. Select the currency you want to withdraw. Enter the wallet address to which you want to withdraw. After entering the address, select the network. The system will automatically activate the available networks and deactivate the rest based on the wallet address you entered. To prevent choosing the wrong network, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. The fee will be displayed based on the selected network and currency. Finally, click Withdraw to complete your transfer. For some currencies like XRP, you must enter the wallet address along with the memo code of your destination. That's it. You're all set to start using EXOLO Exchange. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.